Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about how to transfer Amex membership rewards points to Marriott Bonvoy. First, log into your American Express account, then go to Rewards, then Travel, and Hotel Partners. Look for Marriott Bonvoy in the list. Click Transfer Points, then enter your Marriott Bonvoy account number if not already linked. The minimum transfer is 400 Amex points, and transfers usually take up to one business day. Use the calculator on the site if you want to check how many Marriott points you'll get. Then just review and confirm your transfer. And that's it. That's how to transfer Amex membership rewards points to Marriott Bonvoy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.